In this video, I'll show you how to use the Citing This and Cited in This features in Search at UW. So I'll start out in Search at UW, and I've done a search for articles. Let's say that I found this article, and it's been really helpful for my research. What I can do is I can look here to see if the Citing This or Cited in This feature is available. I will note that they're not available for every single article. If I scroll down here, you see, for example, this one only has the one option available for you. But when it is available, it can be a really helpful tool to help you find related sources for your research. So if I click on Find Sources Citing This, it'll take me to items that are citing this main article we had already been using. So if I click on this article here, somewhere in their Works Cited or References list should be the original article. And this might be one that I want to look into for my research. If I go back here, if I click on Find Sources Cited in This, you see items that are cited by this article. So this original article we were looking at, this would be items that are in their works cited list. And this is just an easy way to link to those items. Because if we have them, you can just click them right there. Or if we don't have the item, then you can request it. As this notes, this isn't necessarily a complete list of the citations. This is a really great tool to help you find some more sources. What you can always do is click back on the original article, and we'll click into the actual article. And if there's a works cited or a references list, which is usually at the end of the article, you can look up those items in Search UW yourself. So I'll scroll down here and say this one wasn't showing up in the cited in this for some reason. What I can do is I can copy and paste the title myself into Search UW. So do a new search here and paste that in. And then I'll just double check that the citation information is correct. And it looks like it is. So this is probably that article, and that's how I can access it. Or if the article is not available, you can request it, but this does say online access. So as a quick video on using citing this and cited in this in Search UW. If you need any help, remember to ask library staff.